Hey everyone, how are you doing? I'm doing great. Hope you all are doing great too. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste in Excel. So open an Excel sheet. So let's say you want to copy this table. What you have to do is just select it, press on right button and click on OK, and paste here, paste wherever you want to. Just click right click on it and click on paste. As you can see, it's pasted. Another way to do it is go to this home tab, select the area you want to copy and click on the copy option, and then click on the paste option. You can paste here according to your choice. You can simply click on any of them, and with the different functions you can paste them. So yep, this is as simple as that. You can copy as a picture too. Let's say I want to make it a picture. I will go to this little ribbon, copy as picture. If I want to copy this as shown in picture, then I will keep it as shown on screen. Click on OK and it will be copied, and here it will be just simply pasted. As you can see, it's a picture which I can drag and down, drag and move anywhere I want to. It's a picture now, but this is a table. So yep, this is how you can copy and paste in Excel. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching guys. Bye bye.